Hello and welcome ulit sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng adobong dilaw ng Batangas. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, magpe-preheat lang tayo ng oil dito sa ating pan. Ilalagay na natin yung garlic at yung ating luyang dilaw. Isusutay lang natin to hanggang sa lumabas yung aroma ng ating garlic. Ready na yung ating garlic. Ilalagay na natin yung chicken, yung skin facing down. Isi-sear lang natin to for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Keep the heat on medium. After 5 to 7 minutes, baliktarin na natin yung chicken. At kukontinue natin ang pagluluto o pagsisir nito for another 5 to 7 minutes on this side. Ayan, tapos na natin ma-sear itong ating chicken. Transfer muna natin to sa isang plate or bowl at isi-set aside natin to. And then using the same pot, isusutay na natin yung ating diced onion. Palalambutin lang natin to. Ready na yung ating onion. Ilalagay naman natin yung pork belly. Same procedure. Isi-sear natin itong ating pork belly hanggang maging light brown in color. After 5 to 7 minutes, baliktarin naman natin itong ating pork. At continue natin ang pagsisir for another 5 to 7 minutes. Ready na yung ating pork. Ilalagay na natin yung half a cup of vinegar. I-add ko na rin yung 1 cup of water. I-add ko na rin yung 1/2 tablespoon ng pamintang buo. At yung ating 3 to 4 pieces ng ating bay leaves. And then, isi-simmer natin to hanggang sa kumulo. Huwag nyong hahaluin hanggang naamoy nyo pa yung vinegar. Pag hindi nyo na naamoy yung vinegar, pwede nyo nang timplahan ng patis. I-adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. At ilagay nyo na rin yung siling haba. Pwede na natin tong haluin. And we will simmer this for about 30 minutes on medium heat. After 30 minutes of simmering, pwede na natin i-add yung sineared nating chicken. Tatakpan lang natin to at isi-simmer natin to for 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. After 20 minutes, ayan, natuyuan na yung ating adobong dilaw. Pwede na itong switch off. And there you have it, our adobong dilaw ng Batangas. Best served with rice. Sana magustuhan nyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ako po si Aling Oday. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.